In the previous lecture, I had talked about what is elasticity of demand by giving different examples. So in this lecture, we are talking about types of elasticity of demand. There are three types of elasticity of demand: price elasticity of demand, income elasticity of demand, and cross elasticity of demand. So I have tried to make comparison within one frame out so that you are able to make a comparison within one go. And there is difference in the variables also. If you see the formulas that I had written here, so if we talk about price elasticity of demand, then the variables that we take here is percentage change in quantity demanded upon percentage change in price. And for income elasticity of demand, we take percentage change in quantity demanded with respect to percentage change in income. So if you see here in the price elasticity of demand, here we are taking price, and in income elasticity of demand we are taking income here. And at last, for saying cross elasticity of demand, as the name also suggests about the measurement, that is percentage change in quantity demanded of good A upon percentage change in price of good B. That means here we are not talking about same good. We are talking here about quantity demanded of one good in comparison to the price of another good, like tea and coffee. If we talk about tea and coffee, then they are substitutes. So if there is increase in price of coffee, then people can substitute towards tea. That means the price of coffee is related to what is the price of tea within the market, and likewise quantity demanded changes. So we have three types of elasticity of demand: price elasticity of demand, income elasticity of demand, and cross elasticity of demand. Now the next question comes is, what are the different methods to measure elasticity of demand? For measuring price elasticity of demand, we have percentage method, total expenditure method, and arc method. These are the methods which I am going to discuss in next video, and by elaboratively explaining about all of these methods with the help of case studies as well as examples. Thank you so much for watching it. Have a great